अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक जैकफ्रूट का हलवा बनाने जा रहे हैं। इट्स वंडरफुली यमी। तो ज़रूर ट्राई करिए। और ये हम शुगर नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जैगरी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो ज़रूर से बनाइए। तो फॉर दिस आई हैव टेकन 500 grams ऑफ jackfruit and I have ground it to a fine paste using a little water. Take 400 grams of jaggery, add a quarter cup of water to it and leave it to melt on low to medium flame. So on another burner, let's make the halwa. Take a kadai or a wok, add the ground jackfruit and saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue to saute for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add another 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue sauteing for another 5 more minutes. So now total we have added 4 tablespoons of ghee. Keep stirring. You cannot just leave it on the stove like that. It will catch at the base. Stirring should be done continuously. After 5 minutes, strain and add the melted jaggery. Keep the flame on medium and continue mixing. Now let's add some spice powders. Add half a teaspoon of zira powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and a quarter teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Continue stirring for another 5 minutes more. And add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. That brings it to 5 tablespoons. Now continue stirring for another 10 minutes more till the halwa stops sticking to the bottom of the pan and leaves the sides easily. This took me about half an hour to make, half an hour to 40 minutes to make. Halwa is now ready. So please do try it out. It can be made and eaten warm or cold, and it stays fresh for a week or more in the refrigerator. Ingredients and method as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.